Johnson & Johnson, a lot of people are familiar with them. Most people know them for like their baby products and everything. But they do have a vaccine and are just generally in that kind of health space.
Yeah, Johnson & Johnson's monstrous. It's just growth potential. It's another one you don't know how they're going to do because they're already well established.
What's going on, guys? It's your bro Taylor here.
And your bro Ryan here. We're back this week with another portfolio update. We're excited to bring you guys some of the buys we just purchased. If you're new to our channel, guys, don't forget to follow us, like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Also follow us on Twitter. We're trying to post more and be more active on Twitter. And we have a TikTok that we're just as active on as YouTube. We're trying to grow and expand. We could definitely use you guys' help to do that. So yeah, don't forget to follow, guys. And let's get into the video. Excited to show you guys how our portfolio performed. But we'll go ahead and dive into it. This one will be a pretty quick one. Just to kick it off, this week I went ahead and bought into Plug Power. For you guys who don't know who Plug Power is, a lot of people are very bullish on them as being the future in battery technology. So they might partner up with Tesla in the future. That's pure speculation. They're very advanced in advancing the battery space. So a lot of these electric vehicles will need that in the future. So I'm excited about that buy, and they've been very volatile, but I'm still excited.
Yeah, and I bought into Johnson & Johnson. A lot of people are familiar with them. Most people know them for like their baby products and everything. But they do have a vaccine and are just generally in that kind of health space. It's been a pretty well-performing stock, over the years and everything. So it's a stock that I'm definitely okay with having bought.
Yeah, Johnson & Johnson's monstrous. It's just growth potential. It's another one you don't know how they're going to do because they're already well established.
Yeah. Those well-established companies tend to be a slower grind when more techie stuff. They have it's more boom or bust with tech though. So, it could go really well, could go really poor. For instance,
so we actually skipped step one with the beer review.
Oh, right.
So we goofed. We announced a couple of videos ago we're going to start doing beer reviews. So we totally forgot to do that, but we do have our beers. So I'm not usually a big hard seltzer person, but these truly margarita style seltzers came out, so I decided to give it a go. This one's mango chili. Sounded interesting. They're decent in alcohol too. I think they're past Bud Light or Natty Light or any of those, so we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, and I went pretty basic, just a Modelo. It's a pretty light beer. It's like at 4.4%. So, flavor's okay. It's kind of, like almost any other light beer like this. So, but,
dude,
good enough.
I got you beat this week. This one's good. This one's real good.
Yeah. I thought about doing some Bud Light hard sodas that I bought, but decided
I've heard about those. Yeah. I don't do soda, but
grab those. Haven't had one yet. Yeah.
So, all right, let's get back into it. So the biggest winners and losers of the week. For a while there, Apple was plummeting like everyone else, but ended up turning it around when their earnings came out Thursday. So they performed very well for me. That was my biggest winner of the week. My biggest loser is AMD. They didn't do well. I can't even talk about them. It's so bad. We are down in a $75 position, about $20. That was the company I really expected to help out, and they're the new monster anchor of the portfolio. So that one really does bite.
Yeah. Well, my biggest loser is American Virtual Cloud Technologies. It was going down all these previous weeks. It's still plummeting. It's down. This was like a $50 investment, keep in mind, guys. And I'm down almost $25. I'm down over 48% on this investment, which is absolutely terrible. You never want to see that. I mean, absolutely terrible. And AMC is right behind them. They're down over $23 and down over 46%. So I have a lot of stocks who are just bleeding. Percentage-wise, actually, Rivian was a $25 investment. It's down over 50%. It's down $12.75. So, I have just... I'm not excited to share the market value. It is so much red on my screen.
I'm interested to see how this goes. But The market values. Let's hear it, Taylor.
Alright,
I'm
so
most excited to hear yours. Just
if you
because
guys have been
how
following
bad
along with
these
us, you would
sound
know
so
that,
far.
or been keeping track. If our investments were to stay exactly the same for what we've invested a total of about $625, and my market value right now is only at $538.10.
Oh, that's not as bad as I thought. I was originally down $65 this week. Today, actually, my portfolio did very well,
Oh, that's
but
not
I'm
that
at
bad.
581.72. I think that's about the gap that it was already. Like, it didn't increase.
Yeah. Well, a couple days ago, it would have been so much worse. So right now, I'm down almost $93
Yeah.
total.
The way you were talking, I
just
thought
a couple
it was
days ago, I was down about 110. So the past couple days have helped. Yeah, there's so much skepticism right now. A lot of questions up in the air. A lot of people are advising not to be super bearish in the market as a whole. There's still a good few stocks to buy, I think, right now, but overall, a lot of people are being cautious, I guess you could say, right now. But yeah, guys, so overall, stock market not doing hot, and that kind of is reflected in our market values. We're both down. I'm down a good bit, which is unfortunate. Like we said, we're not too worried about, stocks in the sense of long-term investments, but for this competition, our competitiveness, I don't enjoy
I'm okay being where
this
I'm
far
at,
down right
even though
now,
I'm
for
losing.
sure.
But we'll go ahead and finish off with a beer review.
Mhm.
Taylor, you want to go first?
Sure. So, Modelo's a Modelo. A lot of people have had it. It's a pretty simple beer. I've always liked the packaging, this little gold peel you pull off and then pop. I've
Yeah.
always liked that for some
It is
reason. It just
entertaining.
makes it feel sophisticated. But it's a pretty light beer with not that much flavor. I'd give it like a 6, maybe. For a light beer, it would be rated higher, but overall for a beer, maybe like a 6.
That's fair. Yeah, I like Modelo as a light beer from just hanging out. It's kind of sweet-ish. But yeah, like I said, since it's a light beer compared to all other beers, I'd agree. I'll actually go a little bit higher on these. I thought it was going to be crazy sugary. I thought it was just going to, so far there's 4 different kinds I have, and it's a couple I'm interested in. But this one, I do like a lot. Not that sugary. Has a good little mango flavor, sweet mango, and then it finishes with like chili. I actually do like these, so I'm going to give them like a 7.5, 8. I like these a lot.
Dang. That's high praise from Ryan. He's not the biggest seltzer guy. Or sweet drinking.
I'm not,
period.
not usually. When a can is this color, usually I don't go towards it. But it's yellow and orange, I was like, I'll give it a try. It's pretty dang good. So
yeah, there you go.
Highly recommend. I can recommend this.
Yeah, there you go. I'll have to try it out if you give it a good recommendation.
Yeah, for real. And there's 3 more to go, so I'll let you know how those go. But
Yeah.
thanks, guys, for watching. We love doing these updates. Hopefully, we'll finally end up positive soon in the future and the market turns around. We'll see. But we got more content. I think we're going to post my interview coming up soon, which that was fun to do and really enjoyed that one. And we have 2 more coming
Or maybe we posted it
just
yesterday.
after that.
Who knows? We don't know. Our schedule has been a bit chaotic. And we're sorry about that, guys. We're going to try and get more and more reliable and consistent with our posts. But either way, we're just going to be posting more and more videos these next few weeks. We have some that we've already filmed and are working on. So some more original content that you guys are hopefully going to really enjoy.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Always follow along with us, guys. We love doing this part of it. No, I don't like that at all. Oof. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Don't forget if... okay. Half of the seltzer, yeah, 5.3%. Dang, okay.